Here we have the Taskforce 20 wet dry vacuum. To the right of it we have two filters. This is a vacuum motor filter, and that's the filter that goes inside the tank. You are only going to use these two filters when you're picking up dry material. Okay. To use this unit for wet pickup, you will just leave the head as it is and do not put the filters in there. If you put the filters in there for wet pickup, you will ruin the filters and have to repurchase new ones. So the head just goes on like so. Make sure that the on-off switch is to the front of the machine. This is on, off. There is a light in the switch which will tell you that the power is working. To empty the machine, once you're finished picking up the water, all you do is push this button and that will release the hose like so. You have the top off the machine. You just grab the unit, tilt it back, dump it, and bring it back forward. In the back of the machine you have two foot pedals. That's the release for the squeegee. That's the pickup for the squeegee. We do have a toolkit, which is all going to be in the box. That's going to include a wet floor tool, which is a squeegee tool, a dry tool, and a crevice tool. To hook those up, you just take the end of the hose and install it right into here. That will allow you to use the tools separately if you should so desire.